Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using a find method. So the find method is basically same like that, but the difference is if there is another substring present in our given string, then it won't be able to show you that particular index of that another substring. I mean, let me get over this after I show you. First, we are going to initialize our string and substring. After that, we are going to use the string 1 and do the find the string 2 and the string number 1. And we are going to store that particular index of our string number 2 where it is present in the string number 1 in the x variable. After that, in the output, if the x is greater than or equal to 0, then we are going to print that the string is found, else the string is not found. So if there is another times b, then the string is gonna say that the string is found, but it won't be able to detect the another string, because what it does is it's after searching for the substring in our string, whenever the first time the substring is gonna get into the string number 1, then it's going to it's going to give back the index of that particular substring on where it is placed in our string, and after that it's going to stop searching for the substring in the string. So if there is another thing like this, then it won't be able to show you that particular another index. So make sure you guys remember that.